Don't worry, Tweety. I'll get you in somehow. Don't you worry, Sylvester. Mommy will get you in. I'm a tweet little bird in a gilded cage. Tweety's my name, but I don't know my age. I don't have to worry, and that is that. I'm safe in here from that old putty cat. What's this? A letter for me? I'm just mad about your singing. Come over and we'll make beautiful music together. Your ardent admirer, room 1002. Well, what do you know? I got an admirer. I wonder who it could be. I thought I saw a putty cat. I did tell a putty cat.